Welcome back, folks. Christian Griffith again here with Pride Roofing and Construction, here to bring you another FAQ video. Today we're going to be talking about your timelines. Storms just hit. Every contractor and their mother's out there trying to build a roof for somebody. And a lot of them are pressuring people to move fast, move fast, move fast. Now, if you have leaks, if you have active problems, yes, absolutely, you'll want to try to get this thing as fast as possible so that you don't ensue more damage inside. However, with hail and windstorms, generally the actual storm damage that happens down underneath of the shingles or the exterior products doesn't happen until farther down the road. However, you do have 1 year on average. Some insurance companies are 6 months, some are 2 years, some don't even have a defined timeline. But generally, you have with most insurance companies 1 year from the date of your storm to not only call your claim in, but get your work done. Now, let's roll this back a little bit. So when you have a storm event, there is a common misconception and something that's just not well known in the industry is that insurance companies are federally insured. So insurance companies have insurance through the federal government. So when a catastrophic listed event like this happens, they do have government assistance helping them to pay off these claims. The reason you see so many contractors and people out knocking doors is because your insurance company isn't banging on your door, and they're definitely not dialing your phone saying, hey, I've got a bunch of money to fix your problems. They leave that to you. And, well, what's also not really well known is that record claims years are generally record profit years, which is counterintuitive. Most of the time you'd think, oh, they're paying out so much money, they're going to go bankrupt. No, this government assistance helps them. Now, we're out there trying to make sure that you have the ability to recoup some of that big pot of money. But like I said, if it's not actively leaking, you have some time. So I've gotten this question a number of times already through this storm set that's happened here in northern Colorado. You don't have to immediately do your work. Now, we do want you to make your claim as soon as possible. And the reason we want you to make your claim as soon as possible is because, look, let's be honest, if another storm hits in a couple of months, it's not gonna ruin the roof any worse than it already is. This was a severe and impactful storm. It's not going to get worse, so it's kind of a waste of time to wait on that piece of the process. So we're encouraging our clients to make their claim and have their insurance adjusters come out. Now, we come out and we represent you as a homeowner's advocate and make sure that the scope of work is agreed upon and there's no additional steps. It's really useful because there's lots of T's that need to be crossed and a lot of I's that need to be dotted through this process. And if you do it early, you'll have everything in place for when you choose to do that work. We have clients who are saying, I want to wait till the storm season's completely over in October. We have some clients saying, this was really bad, I'd like to do it right now. Now, we will work with you at whatever whatever your heart desires. However, it's important for you to understand, you do not need to do this work instantaneously, but it is important for you to make this claim early. And why do I say it needs to be done early? When this catastrophic listed event happens, the federal government gives them this pot of money. Now, that pot of money is always being depleted. Everybody else that's calling in their claims and getting paid for all these things that are broken on their property is depleting that number down smaller and smaller and smaller. Now, your insurance company, I'm not going to talk any smack about the insurance companies. That's not our mission. We have great relationships with insurance agents, but it's just understand this. That money gets smaller and smaller, so their grip gets tighter and tighter. As you move further and further along, things become harder, they become delayed, things get a little bit more stressful than they should. So when we come out, we will tell you what the marching orders should be. We'll give you our suggestions. You make the determination on how you want to do it. However, this is how I would do it on my property, so this is how I encourage it to you. Again, this is Christian with Pride Roofing and Construction. Thank you for tuning into another FAQ video. When should I do my work? That's up to you. When should I call my claim? Probably right away. Please like and subscribe, comment, share this information. If you've got questions or neighbors that need this information, they don't have access to us for some reason, shoot it over to them, have them ask some questions or reach out to us. We'd love to engage with you. We'd love to come out and check out your property, so please do call us and we will answer your questions. Catch you on the flip side. Cool. Hey, CKY 96 Quite Bitter Beings in the background.
I was recording.
Oh, sweet. Bam Margera. He does a double fist. All right.